welcome to your channel Butterfly Lady. Today we are going to learn the basic of HTML, or what stands for Hypertext Markup Language. I know that may not mean very much right now, but the thing to keep in mind is that it's basic building block of the web. When you type in a website address, for example Amazon.com, the web server sends back an HTML file to your web browser, either Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge, that tells your browser how to display the content on the page. In this video, we are going to build a very simple HTML page, and you are welcome to follow along. We will go through this step by step. For the beginning, surely you need to install VS Code. From its website Visual Studio Code, which you can find it easily from Google Chrome, and download it. In the next video, you will find how to run it and start the work.